Yo, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Jay back at it again with the Crimson Camry, and today what we'll be doing is installing the side aprons, the V3 side aprons from Cuztomtuning. The reason why I want you to realize that is because everybody know what these are. You may not know it, YouTube world, but if you purchase things from Cuztomtuning and have seen their page, the V3 side spats are the ones that people don't buy at all. Everybody loves the V2s, you know what I'm saying? I had the V2s for a year. I got sick of them. That's why I got rid of them. I sold them to somebody and I decided to move on. Everybody else had them. It was like, okay, I don't really like them no more. You know what I'm saying? So I got the V3 side spats and I paint matched them to match my side skirts. I've seen people paint them completely, white, red, black, or whatever. But my side spats are completely matched with the side skirts. All right, so don't mind how bright it is. It's ceramic coated. My side skirts are not ceramic coated. So anyway, and these are brand new. Those been on for a year now. Anyway, yeah, so these are the V3 side spats. Where they go, side aprons, whatever. Anyway, where they go right here on the side of the car, rear bumper, this area. Now, from what I've seen on social media, that people have a hard time with the fitment on these side aprons because you use 3M tape on the side aprons, and they have a fitment problem where they won't stay and they'll come off around this area right here. Where I could see is that could definitely be a problem, but I think I found a solution to make these work. So hopefully, more people will start buying these. See that paint measure doing crazy. Oh my God. I'm gonna go ahead and get into it. As always, you're gonna clean the surface with 99% proof alcohol when cleaning the surface. That way we get all the residue, the wax, everything else. Make sure you get underneath, get the sides. Want to make sure you get this part right here because this is the most important part. All right, we'll wipe that off. Get both sides. Make sure when we clean these, we're gonna get it all into this area right here. Soak it up, get it real clean. Now I want you to see what I'm doing here when I'm pinning the tape on it. I'm leaving like a 1/4 of an inch because I don't want to get too close so you can see the tape like I did with the diffuser. So we would leave like a 1/4 inch right there. We go all the way down, cut off right here. Then you're gonna take another strip. I think 2 strips is more. If you don't want to do it this way, you could get the what is it, 7/8 width and just do 1 big strip, which would probably be better. I didn't have 7/8 this time, so that's why I'm using the 0.5, which is goated. Keep going. Off to the edge again. Cut it right here. And then you can put 1 mini strip right here. Have that go down to about right there. You can cut it off right here. So right now I got one of the aprons on. I have 3M tape going along the side up top, right? And I have a screw right there. I didn't screw it all the way in because I didn't want to mess up the placement of the apron. And now I'm going to put another screw, probably like right here in this area. Okay? Because what you want to look at here is that you don't want this to mess up. You want this to be flush against the side. It's lined up perfectly. When you look at the body, you want it to line up just like that. We'll take the next one. And we go put this one like right here. All right. and we're gonna let it go into this part just a tiny bit, just so it can penetrate it. You don't want to tighten it too much. You just want to have it so if the tape ever fails, it's not gonna fall off. That's what we're looking for here. Okay, and I'm gonna do another one. Should I do another one? I'm gonna do another one like right here. I'm gonna do one more right here. All right. So now, if the apron ever comes off the sticky, it's not going anywhere. It's not gonna fall off. Okay. Now I did have magnetic strips I was gonna put inside here, but it didn't work. It looked like, so now we're gonna get the 3M tape off of here. From over here, we're gonna start from over here and peel it off, and we should be good to go. It's really not that hard. Honestly, I think it's the brand of 3M tape that people are using is the reason why it's not working properly. The reason why it keep coming up. This 3M tape that I'm using, I'm not saying it's God tier. It's just that I have never had any issues using it. And I know AutoZone's all around the world, so either you don't even have to go to AutoZone, you order off of Amazon, you go to Walmart, it's at Walmart too. I mean, so. Here we have the spat. Now I didn't do it. I feel like I didn't do anything special, honestly. Like it probably seemed like I did something special, but bro, this 3M tape is not going anywhere. I'm not going to have any troubles. I'm telling you that right now, and I'll be completely honest with you. I'll do an update. I'll do a review and everything, letting you know that hey, this thing is working. Now I didn't put anything over here. I didn't feel the need to. I don't want to put any screws right here. Down. Okay. Honestly, guys, that it's not rocket science, yo. I don't know what to say. Like, use this 3M tape. Period. Stop using all that other bull crap. Stop using that Gorilla double-sided tape, that Scotch tape, whatever y'all guys using. Stop using the tape that Custom Tuning is supplying. No offense to them. Use this tape. Period. What brand it is? Let's see here. Auto Advance 3M. It's brand 3M. All right, guys. So here is the final product of the V3 side aprons. I call them spats. They're more of an apron. Side aprons from Custom Tuning. Paint match with the diffuser from Yofer. Oh yeah. So yeah, guys, let me know what you think in the comments below. Like I was saying before, I'm the first person to two-tone the side aprons from Custom Tuning. I'm surprised nobody didn't do that to begin with, especially because they go right with the side skirts I have. And these side skirts are pretty popular, in my opinion. The side skirts are really popular. So let me know what you guys think. Till next time, kind of hot out here, man.